what we're going to make today. Do you know that?
Yes, today we are going to cook something with parval. But do you know what we call parval in English?
I don't know.
It's called as pointed gourd. This particular recipe is very easy to make and this is buttery
Creamy.
and delicious. So let's head on to our kitchen to make this parval curry. And do not forget to comment in the link below and subscribe our channel to show some love, guys! Bye for now. Today's special recipe is buttery parval. So the main ingredient for this should be parval and onions. This is basically a stuffed parval recipe, so the other ingredients for stuffing are salt, softened butter, turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder and some boiled milk. We also need some finely chopped green chilies. For the preparation, we need to first peel the parval properly and chop the ends. Peeling is optional, but I tend to peel it because when it gets cooked, I find it more soft and tender. Then we need to chop the ends of the parval. I will show you once how to do it and then let's do it quickly. After peeling and chopping properly, we need to clean the parvals. I am back. Now it's time to slit the parvals into 4 parts, but we should not cut it to the end. The end should remain intact or else it would be difficult to stuff the onions inside it. Just like this. It's time to finely chop the onions. It should be finely chopped. If you tend to have bigger chunks, it would be difficult to stuff into the middle of the parval. Next, we should place the onions in a bowl to be assembled with other spices. We should take 2 tablespoons of butter, half to 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon of coriander powder. Add in the green chilies and give it a nice mix. Now nicely stuff the onions into the parval. Do it for all the parvals and stuff the onions into it. Now it's already done. It's time to get started with the curry. I took butter with oil. It should be just enough for the parvals to get fried. Put in all the parvals and let it cook for 1 to 2 minutes in that oil and butter. After 2 to 3 minutes, flip the parval into the other side. Do it like this for 2 to 3 times. The parval is now almost softened. This is the correct time to add in our leftover onion stuffings into the pan to get fried along with the parvals. See, everything is nicely cooked. Do not tend to burn it. Add in your already boiled milk. Remember, before doing this, reduce the flame or else your milk would tend to curdle. Temperature plays a vital role in this. I added little more chili powder and salt according to my taste. You can skip this step. Cover it with a lid and after 2 to 3 minutes, you would see the gravy is already done. It's really buttery, creamy and delicious. Trust me, you will like this with rice or rotis. This parval is almost done. Thank you for watching. Meet you in the next episode. Till then, bye.